This system right here is Carrier's Green Speed Infinity Heat Pump. It's a very sleek model that Carrier came out with. It's a variable speed compressor, extremely quiet, variable speed fan motor, forward swept fan blades. Beautiful piece of machinery. As you can hear right now, it's slowly starting to ramp down. It's just a short clip here to show you actually how quiet Carrier's Infinity Green Speed system is. This system here now is a 4-ton. It's running about 31% capacity according to the UI. If you have any questions about this system or would like to inquire on one and see what it would do in your house, check out our website. Thanks for watching the clip.